Me I still last more. Lare okobo. Okobo arie mane ojo vie ya kuga bati. Sike dian awa be yuwa. Sike dian uoriye benuka o. Nuku di de yokere. Iba bo fie kun lelewe be no wa fie lelewe hiana. Ibe no wa fie lelewe na. O wa fie lelewe hiana. Okobo no zuwa. Retire politician no mameke. Retire politician ni agba okoya me. Ewo nona kporu o enge ile ba ni nia. No ohu abagbon ni ba bola we gbebe no lawe hiana. Abati sikedi anu ohu a. My people, more than no verse, so I beg more help me love and like and share this video for me. I just waka they go. I believe say most of una don't see this video where it be say do some down where they for UK do. Where it they insult our brother. Where it they insult a Akobe. Oh hey where ona la diabani ana do tiegi eri biewe uwe Iyama we mi rockba because of your cassette at your bonnet no one anywhere the gbarry pite give your honey area ya mama or ya about fear kunle we abati oh your heart ye bon umu gira di no to tange because why Iyama mai then I respect on dio area ya mama yes when imagine you gonna what ye bonny me you why cannot any ari because you wa ube ne pa ko be you weni ona la diabana o veni meje igwate bone e Roma vision ite eke no keke ni amoyari ite wan bati ite wan ugbo vi owo hu be no wa vi owo na wa sun wede ne we ro wa epa Akobe owe video no matter no ruwe ne all time. It's just the truth of the matter. I go play the video for now for those of una we never see am. E get one video where be say epa do pana we avec bia no me ave a side chick no mo then the school ha wa be sun na nia a side chick ogwa because wa sige ige school ni vie a side chick ogwa e so be ya mo vi yan je school gbenidium e so ya mo je a word of faith but where no friend the side chick or if you were yan je private yan je government school. Or you want when you work calculate B or wait 3 million you get squeezing no. Now about come out about come they insult a Akobe. About you, matter time. Dazo ne dazo wa no who abagbon. Or to way because if you be wa would ye na or what dazo or what dazo wa. Matter part time. Because if you still go look at those children where be say you they take care of, they not get papa edinya who. Eriyanwu awe ama no koko magwa ano eri biomo ano idoma no biomo na ano ohonu koko viere ya sagbonari ave o ma no bio na then they ask say who born this pikin na that son wey they carry they go na they tell no who born am no be you wey train na if you don't say you go borrow money you take trade that pikin it no be your pikin wa sun wa o abagbon iba bo lawe gba bati dano gba be una wala di ona do agbin yan iyan re Akobe rian o se be yen poru no so gbuwe yen se be guwe gun o ma guwe gun e no tani o ta se because o ke kunu ka dolo wa weji ne u ke ya dolo eji be even weje no u we am yo bom yo weja kokiviere o wu we u do are 1 cent ni ya u do are 1 cent ni ya o ma weni ezigo ni ya. Or when you are wise, be wise. Your boy, ukbonu maese because it will to gwale pekus. Because I again you won't work pekus of a never. Just wait to where there you won't be you why are your bolo. When we your bolonia, a cojan why would you know ya day you sa altar because I was walking where do. We will go for a single month. I seen it also if you begging. Or when there's go, or when there's go, or when why ya jagu no dig bass or why all tie. Why are you holding you? Dano babe. Oh, one lad, you want being yan. I want to mind the go. I want no dear what you salu ababo. Who get away in your matron no having I respect no way. Ah? Even yet I will wear any, and no wrong is a wavania abat. No, your hoy. Oh, soon. O ma no ladian we wa go ati ebonabati ti wa collect we because about the epa inya yegbe me he to ta na bati ati ebone no o ma no dio o ma go we gwan o ma peru no sugbo we we politics we social media ogo ekowo drop ni ati ogo eko baba ni inu gba we video o de o mo we odo ya ro bi we no sungu ba gbon nu yo kwari wu iba bon lawe gba bati no mama down of UK we wala di ono kwado ati ebone o ma go we gwan yen se be so ni we ba ni we abati yen ha abati we be side chick ya nu we zigo na o am yo bom yo we ya zigo ni side chick o ga se gbi wo won eja wo o wa mi yo bom yo we abati o yo baze we u mi yo yare ni u ha mi we we be to am nu ga ze ni side chick ivie side chick wa o wa ba gbon ozuo nu makon mo na hear the video we be say padu e no call about ne o e just do a video no wa ko baba ni re odori harvest ni pe awe why ya dey you wuvu no digba so wa gbe because you go to wa gwa le pe kus ku we ke ya harvest ni le gwe o ma wonu wa friend yan o ma wona eri go ni yan carry be ai ne mo nu bie ne wo wa ge ko vun yan nu ha eri ge sachik here no gu eri ne ha me we no ya ha meri yan ne ri yan ri de after all say yan bio money wa me mu aba gbon ozuwo menu wazuwa sena uzuwo ugizuwo edu yakon mo na hear the video we pardon
see this one wey be say your children school fees na 50,000 45,000 both book and all books all na 70,000 your lady friend children their school fees na 200 both books and all 350 they pay me this man they die for silent also I can man who is setting they try shave they swallow poison also and she tell you I love you she go with that lady friend he love you where they all do not see the school in the
not true
do where so where feel where
okay
as I don't talk so now just stupid people now do another to say your children's school fees 40,000. All the different were 150, 200. Okay, baby, thank you. Ozu, yeah, well, in your bank. Go find your papa.
Not true.
Where you?
Come, Akobe, I have warned you before.
Can you imagine?
To stop talking anyhow.
Can you imagine?
Ugbeo Akobe.
Wa
are you mad?
Wa gbe wa bati abato baze wa gbe o wa sunwu eni no tai everything is correct 100% omo nu ma bie o ma wetu veri ene yeye ena do na do hia weto ai wa hia weto den we he no mo nu we bie umene abati ba bola we gbe a ene mo yan ni ra eni nya wo a eni nya wo ji yan obo hia e omo no we gbe wa no bia e mo ene bie neni kpe nya neni ya na miewe enwune side chick money ya bie nya gba oge ese money ya to binya bie nya ye kenya bie nya zejo umene we mi obi side chick de no dota we ebe no bia na gba oge nya gi ebe do wu na egwere gbe uzuo eri aka ya gwalo ba kwe era o ya gwalo wa mi obom yo we ya ziwo no we side chick ogwugwe unwe ya wo wa ohu abagbon omo dan oya gwa hia unu yo kwere yu emi datoi.
Can
you imagine?
What's your problem with single mothers?
Can you imagine?
What is your problem? Why are you this useless? This is a movie music association. You don't get regulation. You just come online and talk anyhow.
Can you imagine? Saying the truth.
You know how many single mothers there all over the world? Most of these women, they never plan to be single mothers.
They never plan to be single mother. Problem no there. But those single mother, those children where they born, shebi they have papa, abi they not get. Why they not, if their papa no go, they take their responsibility. Why? About you not ask yourself, you be dundee or twengele way to go amwek molega in school, or woman like class. Or woman like class, he say you no enter class. He said you carry bag, you go they run up and down for compound. He said you no enter. Because I say you enter, you for know what he say, what he a part of say na truth. Because of say Ohuemuwe. Huh? You the vex for her. Good and fine if you the vex for her. Anything where you do, don't let her concern you. Why you they go there? Why you they see what they do? Why? Make listen. Or them.
Or to be lady friend to men. Or to call a date married men. Or to call a date single guys. Majority of them, don't be their plan. Some, their husband die at a very young age. Some women don't be widow at the age of 23.
He talks, men are not give them money again. He not talks, men are not give them money. Change about who your body you. He says, sew your coat according to your size. Who your boy, if a boy lawe, sew your coat according to your size. He not say, may you not pay school fees for them. If you not fit, tell and say, make we carry those children, go another school. Because he said, you know how many men they get BP, you know how many men don't buy because of all these things. Or in the name of saying that they use their hand take us out. They will defend women where be say, when they get wife for us, they will defend side chick they go, and that side chick get picking. That side chick say, if you want love me, fair love my picking. If you know say you go they pay everything for my picking, probably not they. The side chick can't forget say those children they get papa. Those one will not get papa, probably not they. Sew your coat according to your size. Yeah.
24, 25, 30, 35. Their children. Many their husband die. Many born for irresponsible men.
So many born for irresponsible men. So does that mean say make that man can't destroy your home? Hey, I don't understand that battle. So those men make them destroy their home because of say they born for irresponsible men. Why those women, why they not go work? Make them take trade their children. I mean, mama not wake be wa. If man tell you say this your pikin, not be say I don't want trainer, but I don't fit like that again. The school where you go put on, it too much. I still get my own pikin to train. No, if the woman want understand, good and fine. If you don't want understand, brother, I better run for your dear life. No get petition ya gboa. Get to go here. After us, you as a man, you get wife for house. You get wife for house.
They get me so. Why some just day say men leave they go marry another person? Why some of these single mothers?
You know
they get their own fault.
You are not making sense at all.
Now all these cultists when they die, all these people who kidnap as a key, all these farmers when they die for a bush, automatically their wife don't turn widow.
Hi.
Their children don't turn.
Children
will not get back. What they wanted, so they will run into having an affair. Run into men. Later, we will continue to having an affair with either single guys or married men. What you are now saying is discouraging people from supporting those women to raise their children. Say they date date single mother, and you are not supporting that lady to see the children through school. You are a wicked.
My people, as una listen to the video, una hear where a pastor say don't support them. He say make them support, but do they no accept you? Because not be the one way be say you go support your side chick children, your own pikin, they not go school, they drive them up and down. We come and we talk we are Ozwodan.
Human being. You are a wicked human being.
Can you imagine?
What did they do?
So you say now wicked human being. So a pass supposed to like those men supposed to throw their pikin away. They're not gonna take care. They'll go they take care of another person. Oh, is that what you are saying now? That be the message where they try to talk so. That be the message where they try to pass. A part message is very clear. Not be your fault. Now because of say you not go school, you not get sense. Because like say you get sense, you for know say this thing way part also. Now truth. Adaze owa onaka gbe. Okay, ya gbe voe. Because you be dondi, you don't understand. If you know say you be best way be say you get money and I saw this one, this one. You know if you take care of your own children, you send another person that you want to go take care of. You are a failure. A failure forever. About dog be saying now well. Wham your bomb your way, Yakoko side chick, we umi oboya koke dogbe seyo adenu dogbe seyo we ise o get to akoko ye side chicken uri yo kwere iwu.
What if the because what if the single mother's children call intelligent past your children? What if those children can't do well past your own children tomorrow?
It can never be your children. Never in history. It can never. Now you just train them. Finish. You not be their papa. You not be their egbe. When you rock back. Have you never see woman where be say another man go follow and train pikin finish? If the pikin don't grow finish, you go even throw away that man way help and train now. Because the man need there. Or go no man no we ain't train no more. Ozuo. What are you way?
Akobe no gbel
Wa gbel wa bati. Wa
It is
gbel.
wicked and foolish of you.
Why you not carry? May you start on the train one. May we know say Abat is a good person. Abat carry one. Abi you not sabi do for you not sabi do side chick. Carry one. You don't go gree. May you they trade those picking where be say the side chick gets. Then you go they buy maybe every month you go they give the side chick just to buy clothes for your children to 200 euro to 200 pounds. Then you call they give mama on 50 pounds. Okay? You call they give mama on 50 pounds. What are your hoy? If a bola we be. Uma unu kwa your motor. Wa nere.
For you to be discouraging people, say a single mother, I love you, will not go and zig school. Will you keep quiet?
How about keep that your mouth shut? Your mouth dey smell share. He not say something like that. You sabi twist something. You sabi twist words. He talk about school, and school don't start now. Make una no go give her una money to side chick. Una pikin go call they go government school. Your side chick children, you don't put them for Igbinedion school. You don't put them for Word of Faith. Your pikin, a sleepers and young badger school. But your side chick, you don't buy expensive shoe. Give them and then they go. Adazoe, ne adazowa. On you know Okobo, like you.
Now this guy talk, they make people will see single mothers. They go they take advantage of them.
Can you imagine?
About
don't worry, a single mother will be saying he want throw away husband, want to become a single mother. Wake bobo. You need to strong for yourself and train your children. If the man not come there for your life, uncle, can't you train your children? Have you never seen single woman where single mother where they train a picking by herself? You don't need that matter. You will put 1 cent. You don't need that. Have you to say no day? You say now single mother now they look for men where why they train their children. No, some of them they don't need it. You go say na me born na more bio me na me want train my pikin. You don't need your money. What are your hoy?
Single mothers also have feelings. Who tells a single mother don't love you? They don't feel love their husband. Give them reason to develop love for you. They will. They be human being. Okay, I'll fear work.
What fear what bat? About try to carry one. May we see. Try may you carry one. What fear one? You are bola we.
I wish you not talk and say, me they don't give single mothers money. I don't come cost like this. How can you be discouraging people from paying school?
You too dull. Did he even say not to give them money? He not say something like that. He said, may you not go pay 40 euro for your pikin. I just make example. Then you go pay 300 euro for side chick pikin. Can you understand? Or money beer ha or money beer e ha hwana ere wa worry ya banuka wa bato bazenu dan.
The children of the woman they are dating. How can you be that wicked and useless?
Can you imagine?
But you go carry money when people they spray you. They go they pay BIU for your own children. Okay, I fear move agbo.
Who fear what bat?
I bet people make una not listen to this idiot.
Shall not understand? May say make una not listen. May una they go they work, they pack the money, go they train side chick children. He say una or more than they give them 20 euro. Can you imagine? If you follow about, you go fall for a side home. We fair no. He carry Obaseki come. Obaseki destroy Benin. If you follow him, he destroy Abba say they do well. He say they do well. If you follow him, then you know. You can person like me. I zo egbava. Abativa bola wegbe. Wa afion wa sun we dene we ro. Ebo no tie no rien epa. Unwe yari. Wa ju unwe se fayo. Dan ogbabe. Wa worry abanuka. You not talk say man not give money. Wise men. Men are wise. Go and take care of your children.